In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate the laser pointer in PowerPoint. If you've ever been in the middle of a presentation and wished you had a snazzy way to highlight key points on your slides, then a laser pointer is definitely the tool you need. Luckily, PowerPoint has a built-in feature that lets us do just that. So let's dive in and set it up. First things first, you'll want to open up PowerPoint on your computer, make sure the software is installed and ready to go. Once you're in, navigate to the PowerPoint presentation that you'll be using. It's a good idea to have your slides all lined up and ready, so you can jump right into practice mode once we get our laser pointer activated. Next, look towards the bottom of your PowerPoint screen. You'll see a variety of icons down there, but we're specifically interested in the present icon. Click on that icon to start your presentation. This will bring your slides up on the full screen, which is exactly what you want before activating the laser pointer. Now, as your presentation is running, simply right-click on the slide that you're currently showing. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. You'll notice one that says Pointer Options. Go ahead and hover over that option. You're almost there. Under Pointer Options, you will see several choices, including Laser Pointer. Click on Laser Pointer to activate it. You'll know it's working because your mouse cursor will transform into a dot. As you move your mouse, this dot will act like a laser, helping you point out specific parts of your slide with ease. And that's it, you're now ready to highlight important areas of your presentation like a pro. This tool can be particularly helpful in making your points more impactful and ensuring your audience follows along with ease. As a quick tip, remember that the laser pointer tool is only available while you are in the presentation mode. So if you need to pause and make some changes to your slides, you'll need to exit presentation mode first and then activate the laser pointer again when you're ready to proceed. Feel free to practice this a couple of times beforehand so you feel comfortable using the laser pointer in a live presentation setting. It's all about enhancing your delivery and making sure your message is as clear as possible. That wraps up our guide today. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one.